Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to my art studio. Today I want to talk about the one biggest thing that is probably ruining your artwork. So let's just get real for a second. Have you ever felt self-doubt when you are creating? I'd be worried if you didn't, to be honest, because I feel and see this a lot with artists, that we have this inner turmoil about our artwork. So let me just guess, let me just try and imagine your painting session that maybe went a little bit wrong. You're really excited, you've got lots of inspiration, you get your paints ready, you sit down, ready to paint, and you're starting to really like what you're doing, and this is really exciting, your painting is going right. But then all of a sudden you start getting a little bit fearful because you like it and you're afraid to add any more in case it starts going wrong. Maybe you do start adding more paint and it does start going wrong, and you see the painting that you once loved just disappearing into a muddy mess, and you feel very frustrated because you don't quite know how to get it back. That's something that I've experienced many times, and it can be really difficult because you can feel a lot of humiliation, a lot of shame, you can feel angry and upset, and you feel a lot of these negative emotions, which then feed into thoughts and beliefs such as, I'm not a real artist, I don't have the skills, I don't have the confidence, I'm not cut out for this, I'll leave it to the professionals, and your confidence has been taken away. Now, the problem with that is then maybe we end the painting session, but then the next time we come to paint, we bring all that baggage with us. We bring all these fears and thoughts, worries, and we bring that into our next painting session. So then maybe something very small goes wrong and we remember all those feelings and they come flooding back to us, all those feelings of shame and disappointment. Now, this can really interrupt that creative flow, because for the creative flow to happen, it really needs to feel in a safe space. We need to feel in a safe space emotionally and creatively for that creative flow to be able to come out of us. So when we are having these fears and when we feel maybe this discouragement, it actually interrupts that creative flow. So then whatever does come out of us is not true and pure from our creative intention. So how do we break that fear barrier? How do we actually let go of that? Well, that is something which obviously I'm very passionate about, but that is something that I cover very deeply in my Learn to Paint with Confidence course. And I feel like the mindset is inherent to the creative process and to the artist that we are, to the artist we want to become, and to the art that we make. Because if we don't have a good mindset, then all the skills we can learn, all the techniques we can learn are literally pointless unless we have a great foundation for that to flow out of. It's really a combination of the skills and the creative flow that really create our unique artwork. So if you would like to figure out how to get past these fears and how to create a really healthy mindset from which your creative flow can come out from, then please do sign up for my free art lesson, which is in the link in the description box. I think it will really help you have some confidence in yourself, and it will be the first key to really just gaining that momentum with your artwork so that you can see real amazing progress in a fast and easy way as well, because that's what I am so passionate about doing, and that is why I started this channel, was to help beginner artists and people that love painting to really be able to give space to that and to make their dreams come true. And I really just want to encourage you today just to take action and to start making your dream of being an artist or creating artwork that is truly unique, for that to start coming true. So please do sign up. Let me know if you're interested in this art lesson. You can pop your email in and I will email you all the details for the lesson. And hopefully this will be the start of a beautiful journey. And I hope you have a wonderful day. I'm sending you lots of creative inspiration for your next art project. Let those fears just melt away and create a safe, creative haven for your artwork to flow out of. Have a beautiful day, guys. Bye!